A very good morning, everyone. Very good morning to all of you. Yes, come on, show me your presence fast. Good morning, बेटा आदित्य. जल्दी से प्रेजेंस बताओ बेटे, सब बच्चे जो आ गए हैं क्लास में. Yes. Today is our session for chapter 7. A very good morning. Good morning. Very good morning, बेटा प्रतिमा, मानसी, आदित्य and all the rest of the students. हम लोग दोनों जगह लाइव हैं चैट में. Yes, very good morning, Pooja, Sambhavi. How are you all? And where are the rest of the students? Show me your presence fast, everyone. Yes. Very good morning, beta Rashmi. And all rest of the students. Good morning, beta Priya. Anyways, so it's the time to start our session. And already informed to all of you that today is our session for chapter number 7. So should I start? Yes, give me ready, everyone. I am waiting for you ready. As usual, as always. Yes, beta. Very good morning. Good. Okay, let's start. Ready. Yeah, this is called ready. Very good. और आपका रेडी जो है जोश में होना चाहिए. जो भी बच्चे हिंदी से हैं, those students which belongs to Hindi version. I was also from Hindi, so don't worry. Ask the doubt freely. ओके बेटा, जो भी बच्चे हिंदी से हैं वो भी हिंदी से बिना संकोच के एकदम डाउट पूछना. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं फिर आज का सेशन. यस रोहित. आइए. जय श्री राम बेटा, जय श्री राम. Yes, I will explain in English, but I have given the opportunity to those students also which are giving exam in Hindi. Okay, let's start. So beta, before starting our today's session, I would like to revise the concept. Beta, our chapter is chapter 7, that is accounting standard based on items impacting financial statement. Okay, and in this case there are 4 units. Out of them, today we shall cover, first we shall try to cover AS4 and AS5. That is our target for today. Okay, and there are many questions which have been collected by me for you. So I am showing you the PDF. Come on, let's have a look on that PDF. This is the PDF which you will find in viewers portal. But today we have uploaded, and please download this PDF. In this you will be finding the maximum collection of the question. Rather, I would like to say there will be huge variety of AS4 and AS5 question. Comprehensive variety is there. Okay, so if I want to say that there will be no any question outside this, then that will be 90% okay. 10% is leaving, maybe any contingency there. All the varieties have been collected and given you in this PDF. These are the extra question. Approximately 40 questions are there. Sorry, 31. Yeah, I have reduced those questions. 10 questions. Those were repeated. So, beta 31 questions are there. If you will cover all these questions, then you will find that you will be able to attend each and every question of each and every book and exam question also. Beta, I am not getting your chat properly. Can you please give me ready again so that I may be able to understand that all of you are live and all of you are active? Okay, yes, very good. Ready, yes. Subharjeet, very good. Rohit, okay, yes. So beta, let's start. So I hope everyone has downloaded such PDF from ICAI portal. Let's start. Beta, today first I would like to revise all the concept. Beta, this is the PDF already uploaded on ICAI portal. I hope you have seen the recorded lectures, and now today we are revising the all concept along with the question practice also. Additional question will be practiced in the class. Okay, but no question will be repeated from the recorded class. You have already gone through the questions in those class. Okay. Anyways, since the variety is very limited, so maybe you will feel some type of repetition, but the figure will be different and question will be different. And all the questions have been collected from the past examination question since a long time. At the time, it was chapter in the final also. Anyways, let's start. Beta, in AS4, what we do? Chapter name is Accounting Standard 4. Chapter name is Contingencies and Events. Contingencies. Sir, today we are PDF to upload beta at ICAI portal. Okay, in the PDF section, PDF upload section, you can find there. Yes, and also message me that you have downloaded. Anyways, beta, chapter name is Accounting Standard 4, Contingencies and Events occurring after the balance sheet date. Beta, contingencies, number one point is that contingencies, and another point is events occurring after the balance sheet date. Beta, two things are there. Two things are there. Okay, so I am showing you the conceptual PDF which I have already uploaded there. So from here you can save your time, and we will be utilizing the time in the question practice. See, events maybe, events means beta, events, beta, see, this is the balance sheet, this is the timeline. In each and every question you must be solving the question by preparing a timeline. On that you have to put the data of the question, and you will be easily to, you will be finding the question is very easy. See, first understand this. But what happens? This is the financial year. This is what? Financial year. Timeline. What we do? We prepare balance sheet at year end. We prepare balance sheet at year end. But usually what happens? The data of the year usually get entered with some delay. And the balance sheet takes time to get ready. And chartered accountants need the balance sheet first. After that, chartered accountant will start the audit. Of course, sir, how we can audit without the without having the balance sheet? So although we do what we do in the practical life, we start the audit before that. For the timing, we were doing the different kind of activities there by which we can sum up the audit. Anyways, the point is that Accounting Standard 4, what Accounting Standard 4 says? See, beta, this is the balance sheet of 31st March 2023. This is the example. Balance sheet and profit loss is there. And what happens? It takes time to get ready. It takes time to get ready, of course. What we do? We ask the management kindly sign, approve that such financials are complete, and you are handing over such financials to us. Presently, I am also practicing, and I am practicing with a good CA firm, and I am having multiple exposure there. And there is also same application of such AS. I am feeling the same in the practical life also. What we ask from the client, that kindly first hand over the signed balance sheet to us, and that client give us the balance sheet. Only after that the balance sheet is get locked. It means if management signs, if management hand over to CA, or you can say management sign the financials, after that after that balance sheet get locked, means then you cannot adjust the data, you cannot give any adjustment in the financial statement. Means before that if any event is there, then that can be adjusted, but that has to be adjusting event. Means better two types of events are there. Two types of events. How many types of events are there? Come on, everyone. Give me your message. Give me your answer. How many types of events are there? Come on, I am waiting for your answer. Two types. Very good. And these events can be two. Number one, adjusting events, means which are allowed to adjust in the financial statement. which are allowed to adjust in the financial statement. So our first event, beta events occurred after the balance sheet date doesn't mean that any date. Beta, only those events which belongs to such period that is after the balance sheet date, but before the approval of financials by the management. Only those events are called as per this accounting standard. Events occurred after the balance sheet date. Very good answer by all of the students. Very, very good. So beta, we have to check in the practical life that such is the event that can be adjusted in the financial statement. Yes, how we can see? Beta, see, I have already prepared such chart. You can save your time by downloading the PDF and directly applying the question. If you learn this chart, if you learn this timeline, then you will be solving all the question in easiest manner. See, by which financial statements are adjusted, only those for which conditions or circumstances existing on the balance sheet date. It means if something happened after the balance sheet date for which already conditions were there at the balance sheet date, only then such event can be adjusted. So it means if there is no condition for any event at the balance sheet date, means if something happened, screen is not clear. Beta, kindly let me know if any problem is there, then kindly let me know. Now, beta, if any event occurred after the balance sheet date, but for which conditions were not existing at the balance sheet date, then that event cannot be adjusted. That is called non-adjusting event. Okay, beta. So why we are saying adjusting? What do you mean by adjusting? Means, you know, in 11th class in CA Foundation, you have done financial adjustment. Yes, financial adjustment means those adjustments which were not in the trial and those are to be adjusted directly in the financial. Yes, sir. The same is the case with those entries which have not been adjusted in the financial statement now being adjusted. So if they are allowed to adjust, only then we can adjust. If they are not allowed to adjust, then not to be adjusted. So beta see. Yes, sir, screen is not clear. Writing. Okay. Just a minute. Is this okay now, beta? Adjusting event by which financial statement are adjusted, only those for which condition and conditional situations were existing at the balance sheet date. Okay. And for which conditions were not there. Yes, sir. Now, okay. Okay, beta. When conditions are not there, those cannot be adjusted. Sir, give some example. Give some example. Okay. I am giving you just some simple examples. See. Example number 1. Example number 1. But after that, we shall practice with a question. But first, let me clear that each and everything must be conceptual. Okay, beta. You must revise your concept first. Beta, this is what? This is the timeline. And this is what? Balance sheet date. Okay, sir. And this is what? This is the time when management approved, management signed the financial statement and said that chartered accountant G, Mr. Chartered Accountant, please keep these financials and you must audit such. Okay. Now see. Okay. Screen is clear. Now see. Beta, at this balance sheet date, while we were preparing the balance sheet, you know, in the final account chapter, we have learned these things. What we have learned? Sir, we have learned these things, that trading and profit and loss is there. That's another thing, that in the case of company, we shall be preparing the financial statement vertically as per schedule 3. Yes, sir. But for the time, for the simplification of conceptual understanding, I am taking such example in the horizontal way. Okay, beta. Are you ready, everyone? Give me ready for example number 1. I am waiting. Be active. So to nahi gaye. Those which are enjoying the parathas, please focus on the class. I know this is the time for breakfast. So don't use breakfast at this time. Be focused. This is the conceptual time. Beta, those debtors which are in the balance sheet, that is rupees 1 lakh and very good, active, yes. And at that time, at the preparation of financial statement, we were having some doubts that out of such 5,000 rupees is there that is not recoverable. What we do in this case, sir, we prepare reserve for doubtful debts. What we are saying, doubtful debts. So what we do, we are preparing reserve for doubtful debts, and for this, to follow the conservatism, we reduce such amount from the data for presentation only. Reserve for doubtful debts. Now what happened? Yes, beta. But remember, it doesn't mean if we are reducing such from the debtors, it doesn't mean that debtors has been reduced, because debtor will be removed only when the bad debts will be there. Okay, beta. Now see everyone, what happens in this case. Suppose here such debtors were unable to pay, and in this case what happened, it happened that although we created provision of 5,000 only, but those debtors were of 20,000, and now such debtors became bankrupt due to any reason. Now total 20,000 becomes irrecoverable. Means, sir, beta, Mr. X was there, who was included in the 1 lakh, and total amount recoverable from the debtor was 20,000, but there were some doubt. So we created provision of 5,000. And what happened? Before signing the financials, management see that bad debts occurred and complete 20,000 now not being able to recover. Now tell me everyone, is this the event? Come on everyone, answer me. I am waiting for your answer. Is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? First tell me, step number 1, that this is the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not. I am waiting for your answer. Yes. Why? Because, sir, after the balance sheet date and before the management approval, management signed on the financial statement, only those events will be covered as per the definition of events occurred after the balance sheet date as per AS4. Yes, this is the event occurred after the balance sheet date because such event occurred during this time. So this is the event occurred after the balance sheet date. Now point is that, is this the adjusting event, everyone? See, your chart is here, everyone. Is this adjusting event or not? Yes, of course. Why? Because conditions were existing on the balance sheet date. Yes, contingencies were there, conditions were there, situation was there that bad debts can occur, and that situation was existing at the balance sheet date or not? Everyone tell me. I am waiting for an answer. At the time of preparation of balance sheet date, at the balance sheet date, condition were existing or not? मैनेजमेंट अप्रूवल से पहले ओकर हुआ इसलिए एडजस्टिंग मीन, बेटा ये मत सोचना, वो सेकंड स्टेप है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिसाइड करना है कि इवेंट ऑकर्ड आफ्टर द बैलेंस शीट डेट है कि नहीं. नाउ यस, दिस इज एडजस्टिंग इवेंट. यस, because conditions were there at the balance sheet date. Hence now in this case management will provide, everyone, sir, what will happen in this case? How we can say that AS has been complied? Now management will give you the revised financial statement. Beta, see, I am now writing here revised financial statement, revised trading P&L, revised balance sheet, so that there can be adjustment in the financial statement. Now, how management will adjust this? Management will say, oh my God, oh my God. Now, the reserve for doubtful debt is not the correct word. Now, reserve for doubtful is not the correct word. Now, it should be said reserve for bad debts. Reserve for bad debts. And the amount should be 20,000. And after adjusting such financial statement, management will hand over you the financial statement and management will say, Chartered Accountant G, Mr. Chartered Accountant, now please audit such financial statement. We have adjusted such. But now you will check that such was adjustable or not. Yes, adjustable because conditions were there on the balance sheet date and such event occurred after the balance sheet date. Beta, everyone, I am waiting for your answer that up to this everything is okay or not. Come on, let me know. I am waiting, everyone. And audio, video, everything is okay. Nidhi was saying video is not clear. Beta, let me know, everyone. Clear, clear. Those which are chatting on BIOS portal, beta, kindly let me know. Yes, okay, Rashmi, okay, beta, Pratima. Yes, Sadab, Sadab, Priya, Sanu, Sambhavi, waiting for your answer, beta. Yes, very good, Santosh. Uh, Only one person is there for which video is not clear. Okay, beta, beta, please refresh your net. Arvind is also saying, okay. Anyways, now okay. Bhumika is also saying, okay. Now please see. Can I start now? Yes. Now, beta, it's the time to start the question practice. But before that, again, I am revising those events which occurred after the balance sheet date for which conditions were existing on the okay, on Zoom it is blur. Okay. At YouTube, everything is good now. Okay. See, those events for which condition were existing at the balance sheet date are called adjusting event. Otherwise, not to be adjusting. Can I start now? Question? Yes, sir. Beta, I have given you the questions, and these questions are unsolved. Today, I have uploaded such PDF without solution. Sir, why you have not given solution? Beta, after one day, I will allow that PDF will be shared with you, because at least one day you must need to practice the question, because if you will practice, then you will learn. If I will practice, then I will learn. So beta, everyone, today you will be practicing such question from such PDF. Some questions will be practiced by with me, and rest of the question will be your homework. Okay, and tomorrow you will find the PDF with the solution, because you will need some time to get practice. Okay, beta. Now see, let's start. So I am directly moving to the question. Beta, this is the theoretical question. Define the event occurred after the balance sheet date. Okay, beta. So I am starting with the numericals from question number 5. Question number 5. So we are practicing here only additional questions. Okay, beta. Ready for practice? Give me a ready. I am waiting. Give me a ready, everyone. You are an accountant preparing accounts of A Limited. You are an accountant preparing accounts of A Limited. Beta, A Limited is there? Yes, sir. And you are chartered accountant. You are working in the company. Okay, beta. You are not ekdam ready, sir. Okay, beta. You are not the auditor. Beta, there may be either of the case. Either you will be practicing. In that case, you will be auditor. Or if you are working with the company, then you cannot audit. It means you may be employee there, you may be consultant there. Okay. We cannot see. Beta, please tell me video, everything is clear or not? I am waiting for your answer, everyone. Video is clear or not, everyone? क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? मैं नहीं समझा सर. क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. अभी क्लियर दिख रहा है? एक मिनट सर. अभी क्लियर है? Okay, everyone, please do just one thing, everyone. Please download PDF. Okay, and I am discussing here. You may refer. Question number 5 is there. Today, in the next class, I shall take the class from the studio. Please do some adjustment. Please download the PDF and start to practice from there. I am discussing with all of you. Question from here. Question number 5. You are an accountant preparing accounts for. अच्छा, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग करके, अच्छा ऑफ करके वापस. ओके. ओके. अभी ओके है? वेयर इज पीडीएफ बेटा? एट बीओएस पोर्टल. पीडीएफ इज देयर एट बीओएस पोर्टल बेटा. सर कैन यू प्लीज शेयर? सर यहाँ पीडीएफ शेयर कर देंगे क्या चैट बॉक्स में बच्चों को? ओके. यू आर एन अकाउंटेंट प्रिपेयरिंग अकाउंट ऑफ ए लिमिटेड एज ऑन 31st March 2023. 2003 सॉरी. बेटा आप एक अकाउंटेंट है. आइए मैं इसको टाइमलाइन पे लेके आता हूं. सी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज देयर. Question number 5 is there. This is balance sheet date. Okay. And balance sheet date in the question number 5, that is 31st March 2003. Okay. 2003. Abhi okay beta? Now it is okay at the screen. Now see. And what happened? This is the balance sheet of A Limited. Okay. And what happened here beta? In this case, a fire occurred in the premises. Fire occurred in the premises. Beta, suppose this is the management approval date. This is what? Date of management approval. Okay beta. What happened in this case? Beta, here fire occurred. Fire occurred. At this date, fire was occurred and stock loss is there. Beta, how much loss is there? Stock loss is there. That is what? How much? That is rupees 10 lakh. 10 lakh. 10 lakh rupees stock was there. That was lost due to fire. Now, point is that, is this adjusting event or not? Point is that, first of all, this is the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Everyone answer me. I am waiting for your answer. Is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? I am waiting for your answer. Is this the balance sheet occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes, very good. Now point is that, is there, first of all, we have to answer, is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Answer is yes. Now point is that, is this adjusting event or not? I am waiting for your answer. Is this adjusting event or not? Very good answer, beta. Very good. No, this is not adjusting event. How you can say there will be fire at the balance sheet date? Is there any condition existing on the balance sheet date? Conditions were there. Conditions or situation is there. Answer is no. Hence, there will be non-adjusting event. Beta, so such event will be non-adjusting event. Now see, non-adjusting events. So when management will hand over us the financial statement, then management will not be allowed to adjust such. So okay sir, ठीक है. But beta one exception is there. Means beta please note down. Note down please. If any event occurred, beta please note down, if any event occurred after balance sheet date and due to such event and beta wait beta sit calm beta रुको. Yes, so due to such event, going concern affected, going concern affected, only then we can say such becomes adjusting event. So in exam question, how we can decide that going concern affected? Usually what happened in the big companies, 80 to 90 crore stock is there and 10 lakh is there which has been lost due to fire. Then will going concern affected? Of course not. So beta, if you are finding such question in exam, then you should give both of the answer. You should give both of the answer. That since nothing has been given, hence we are presuming that going concern was not affected. In this case, such becomes non-adjusting event. However, come on, let me know. However, if we assume in different way that going concern affected, only then such can be answered as that such will be adjusting event. So what will happen in this case if going concern affected? In such case, everyone please note down another point here. If going concern affected, then financial statements will be prepared. In that case, financial statements will be prepared on liquidation basis, means at realizable value. Okay, better let me know everything is okay up to this or not. I am waiting for your answer. Come on, answer me so that I can move further. I am waiting, everyone. If going concern affected, only then we can say such is adjusting event. Otherwise, this is not the adjusting event. Okay, beta, you have to give answer in exam in both way. And beta, now I am moving to next question. Yes, very good answer. Yes, Rashmi Singh, okay. Preeti Singh, yes sir. I am waiting for other. Priya, Sadab, Sumit, Pooja, Sambhavi. Yes, Vidushi, Venkatesh, Ritika, Biju. बिरजू है क्या? ओके, And all rest of the students, yes, all clear, all clear. Okay, beta. Now move to next question. I hope everyone has find out such PDF. Now see, beta, after this, you will answer in this way. Next point is that a suit against the company's advertisement was filed by a party claiming damage of rupees 20 lakh. Beta, a suit was filed by a company against such company. Okay. So beta, now prepare some timeline. Here is the timeline. See, this is balance sheet date. Okay. And this is management approval date. Okay. Question number 5 is there, and of which second part is there, which I am discussing here. Yes, sir. Clear till now. Okay, beta. So what happened here? Beta, a suit was filed. Beta, at this date, someone filed a suit against company. Beta, against company, a suit was filed. Now see, in this case, that company was asking for damage of rupees 20 lakh. Rupees 20 lakh was being asked by another company that you have to pay us compensation of 20 lakh because of some bad advertisement or any other thing. Anyways, now how you will deal in the financial statement? Beta, please let me know. Everyone, sure, is this the event? No, this is what? Contingency is there. Beta, there is contingency. At this date, this will be shown as contingent liability. I hope you have seen the recorded lecture. So I am revising here only. Contingent liabilities. In the contingent liabilities, such will be shown as a part of notes to accounts. Okay, beta? Sir, what happened? Although not given in the question, although not given in the question, although not given in the question, sir, what will happen? I am giving here case B. I am writing here this as case B. Although it was not given in the question, but we have to get ready for each and everything. What happens, sir, if after the balance sheet date, and before the management approval, if company defeated, very good, beta Priya. Yes, that will be disclosed in the notes to account at the time of balance sheet. And what will happen if company defeated? Who will tell me? And company has to pay. Company has to pay rupees 5 lakh. Beta, what do you think? Is this event or not? Everyone, answer me step by step. Beta, each and every question will be easy if you will follow the step. First of all, decide whether it is event or not. Event occurred after the balance sheet date or not. Answer is very good answer by Pratima, Ritika, Rashmi, and all rest of the students. I am waiting for an answer also. This is event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes, Pooja, very good, beta. Yes, beta Rohit, very good. This is event occurred after the balance sheet date. Maybe events after the balance sheet. No, only those events will be called event occurred after the balance sheet date, which will happen during this period. As per AS4, only those can be adjusting or non-adjusting. Now, step number 2. Conditions were existing at the balance sheet date or not? Come on, let me know. Vidushi, Rohit, Pratima, Pooja. Bolo beta. Very good, Priya. Very good. Sadab, waiting for answer. Mr. Babaji, Channappa, Basanta. Okay, beta. Anyways, so this is adjusting. Yes, because conditions were there. So this will be adjusting event. In this case, we have to adjust. in the financial statement. Beta, don't think only in one way in the question is asking. You can practice such question in multiple way. In huge practice you can do from here. Each and every question can be practiced in different ways. See, the point is that now next point is this dividend. Dividend proposed 20% on share capital. No, beta. This is not the adjusting event. Please write down another note here. Beta, that was in the earliest question when such becomes adjusting event because of statute. Now the amendment were there a lot of time ago. Beta, see, note dividend proposed or declared is equal to non adjusting event. Beta, please note down. Very good, Rashmi, beta, very good. Beta, 5 lakh was there in the case decided, beta Nidhi. I think you missed that. Company was defeated in the case. Okay, beta, we mentioned on the graph. Nidhi, okay, beta? So dividend is always non-adjusting, beta. Now how will you answer in this question? Dividend is non-adjusting event. Come on, everyone. Now move to question number 6. Okay, that is your theory question. Beta, I will give answer of this question also. As dividend declared after the balance sheet date, so it is non-adjusting. No, beta, dividend is non-adjusting event. Okay, even propose also. Next, question number 7. Beta, all the questions I have collected here belongs to past examination questions. Okay, beta. From many of the years, I have made this collection while I was studying. Anyways, major fire, beta, you know major question is giving you an indication that something is there which needs to be considered as major. It means that can affect the going concern. Still, you should mention that since major word is there, then there will be effect on going concern. Now, please see the question. Major fire has damaged the assets in the factory on 8 April. Beta, see. Question number 7. Question number 7 is there. Everyone, this is what? Balance sheet date. And this is what? Management approval date. Now, question is giving you some data. Question number 7. Beta, see. I am giving you chance. First, please study this question and answer me. I am waiting. Will this be adjusting event or not? Question number 7. Major fire has occurred. Major fire has occurred. Damage the assets in the factory. Okay, beta. 8 days after the end of the year. Okay, year end हुआ. After that 8 days जैसे खत्म हुए वहां पर आग लग गई. Okay, and what will happen? There was loss of rupees 60 crore. After estimating recoverable 24 crore from insurance company. If the company has not insurance, beta, both of the questions are there here. Now, please let me know. Non-adjusting, very good. It is adjusting cause going concern affected. Both the person are giving answer perfectly. Siddharth is saying, Subhrajit is saying, it is adjusting event because going concern affected. He is also right because he has given the assumption that going concern affected. Very good, beta. And here, Priya is also answering non-adjusting event because the loss is covered by insurance company. Very good, beta. Okay. So this is the thing which you have to mention in the exam. Okay, beta. Very, very good. Non-adjusting if going concern affected, then adjusting. Very good, beta Pratima. There's the point. Very, very good. Now please move to question number 8. Everyone, ABC Limited could not recover 10 lakh from a debtor. ABC Limited could not recover 10 lakh from debtors. Company is aware that the debtor is in great financial difficulty. The accounts of the company were finalized for the year ending this one by making a provision of 20% of the amount due from the debtor. Beta see what question is saying. Question number 8. Question number 8. What happened? Beta, at the time of balance sheet, there was a debtor. There was a debtor. Debtor name is what? Okay, no. And rupees how much? 10 lakh. And at that time, provision was made. Better reserve for doubtful debts. Reserve for doubtful debt was made at the rate of 20% at the time of preparation of financial statement. Yes, that is 2 lakh was made as provision. Yes, sir. What happened during this period? During this period, what happened? Debtor became bankrupt and nothing is recoverable. But here, completely bad debts. Now, please let me know, is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not, everyone? Let me know, everyone. Is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? I am waiting for all of you. Please answer. Yes, Sadab. Very good answer, but it was earlier answer. Now, please let me know. Yes, very good answer. Okay, very, very good answer. Bhumi, Vidyusi, Aditya, Rashmi, very, very good, beta. Yes, Priya, very good. Now see, this is event or not? Answer is yes. Event or not? Yes. This is adjusting event or not? That will depend totally on the basis that at the balance sheet date conditions were existing or not. Okay, this is light color. See, event or not? Answer is yes. Adjusting event or not? Yes, that totally depend on the conditions existing at the balance sheet date. Answer is yes. Okay, beta. So what will happen? Beta, I am giving this question in two cases. Case A, because you think that we shall practice only those questions which have been given as it is. No, why don't you think in different way also? See, suppose this is what? This is case B. Suppose at the time of preparation of balance sheet, there was no doubt, at the time of preparation of balance sheet. Come on, everyone. Now, who will answer me? Is this event or not? Event occurred or not? At the time of preparation of financial statement, there was no doubt. There was no doubt. So this is event or not? Yes. Answer is that event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes, sir, because bad debts occurred. Now, point is that is adjusting event or not? Yes, very good answer, Pratima. Very good, beta. I am waiting for everyone. This is adjusting event or not? Answer is no. Why? Because conditions were not existing at the balance sheet date. Okay, beta. Sometimes you see the question in the exam and the same question is repeated in another attempt. And usually I see the students are saying what happened. The same question is being answered in next attempt with different answer. Beta, see, read carefully the question. Like you will find the cash theft and stock theft. In that question also you will find the same situation, but the point is that but in that case you must read carefully that what happened, situation was there or not, and when the information was received. Anyways, now I am moving to next question, beta. And next question is question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. X Limited entered into an agreement to sell its property. Question number 9. Lo beta. Answer number 9. Again, timeline is there. This is what balance sheet date. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And this is what management approval date. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. First, let me know how many of you are enjoying the breakfast. Are you fully focused? Come on, give me a ready. I think some of the students are not enjoying the class. Those are enjoying something else. Come on, give me assurance. Yes, focus. Only Yogendra is focused and he has answered. None of the other person is answering. It means those are focused at okay. Santosh is also focusing. Pratima is also full enjoying Rashming. Okay. Vidushi is also okay. Ritika is also. And where are boys? Only girls are answering. Where are my boys? Come on. Yogendra, except Yogendra. Rohit, where are you? No, sir, I am also active. Okay, Pooja beta. Subharjit is saying breakfast is already done, sir. Okay. So I asked you late. Okay. Anyways. Shadab is seeing focus. Yes. What about other person? Priya. Basanta. भाई पूरा लंबा चौड़ा नाम है तो मैं छोटा ले रहा हूं. Yes. Okay. Now beta see. What happened here? Beta, see in this question what happened? Company entered into an agreement to sell its property and show included in the balance sheet 10 lakh rupees. Beta see, in the balance sheet, there is a property, plant and equipment. In this case, there is a property which has been shown in the balance sheet at rupees 10 lakh. Focused. Very good. Very good. 10 lakh. Beta, what happened? In this case, company entered into an agreement for rupees. Okay. 15 lakh. Beta, see, at this date, this is the date. This is the date. This is the date. And what is the date? That is 28th Feb, na? Yes, 28th Feb. At this date, what happened? Agreement to sell such property for rupees 15 lakh. Beta, I was late, sir, but now active. Okay, beta Sumit. Active हूँ sir. Okay, beta Rohit. Very good, Arvind. Very good. Boys are also active. Super active. Very good. Feeling great. Beta, now see. What happened in the balance sheet? Property is there. That is rupees 10 lakh. Book value in the property is 10 lakh. And the agreement to sale was there. That was entered on 20th Feb. And what happened in this case, beta? The registry of such was done on 1st May. Beta, this is the date. This is the date. 1st May. Registry is there. Beta, you know registry? Sir, we sold the property and the registry has been done. It means sale has been completed for rupees 15 lakh. Now see, balance sheet date is after this. Suppose August is balance sheet date. 31st August is balance sheet date. Now let me know everyone. First of all, answer me step by step. Okay. Now point is that, is this the event or not? Beta, answer only that question which I am asking. Is this event or not? event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yogendra is saying no. Yogendra, you have broken my heart. Oh, both it's very pain. Event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes, everyone is answering good. Yogendra, इधर पेन हो रहा है बहुत, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं है इवेंट, बताना बेटा, बिंदास बोलो, माइक भी ऑन करके बोल सकते हो, डाउट पूछ सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. कम ऑन, लेट मी नो बेटा. योगिंदर, is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Conceptual clarity is must. Very good answer by all of the students. Yes, this is the event. Okay beta, yes, this is what event. Now please, अच्छा, because sale done before the balance sheet date, no beta, सेल वाज नॉट कंप्लीटेड बाबू, एग्रीमेंट ही तो हुआ था. सेल वाज, देयर वाज ओनली एग्रीमेंट बेटा. ओके योगेंद्र, ओनली एग्रीमेंट टू सेल वाज देयर. द सेल is completed when the risk and reward is transferred, that is transferred at the time of registry. Okay beta, agreement may be cancelled. Okay, yes beta, yes, very good. So now point is that this is adjusting event or not? Who will tell me this is adjusting event or not? Come on, let me know everyone. Very good answer Pratna, very good. Sayanto, very good. Yogesh, come on, let me know everyone. Those watching, those are chatting on bios portal, beta answer me. Ritika is saying no. Why beta? Ritika, you have also broken my heart now this time. Let me know beta, why this is not adjusting event. Conditions were existing at the time of balance sheet date or not beta? Ritika, Rashmi's answering good. Yes Chanappa, very good answer. Adjust, very good. Shadab, yes, let me know. Rohit, very good, very good. Nidhi, so let me know beta. I am asking you Ritika, why you are answering that this is non adjusting? Ask me doubt freely. This is adjusting beta. Why? Because conditions were existing at the time of balance sheet date or not? Of course, yes. Agreement was there at the time of balance sheet. While we are showing 10 lakh rupees in the balance sheet, before that we have already entered into the agreement. It means conditions were there. Agreement before the balance sheet, how it can be adjusting beta? Agreement to sale is the situation or condition for which registry is done after the balance sheet date. So agreement to sale has been entered beta at this date. At this date beta, agreement was done, and that is the situation existing at the balance sheet date. While you will be seeing at this balance sheet date, at this balance sheet date, condition were existing or not? Of course, yes, because at this balance sheet date we were able to understand that such property is about to get sold. The agreement has already been done. It means conditions are there. Okay beta, Ritika, let me know clear or not. Otherwise ask freely. Don't think that other is not asking, beta, please ask freely. But if agreement is there, it means conditions were there at the balance sheet date. Let me know everyone. Rest of the students also. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can show their presence by giving their likes, comments, share, etc., etc. If only negotiation, no beta, no negotiation is not there. That was the study material question. I know you are asking for that. Okay Priya, if only negotiation was done, then agreement could not be completed. Okay beta, agreement is the situation when you give proposal and acceptance, and that is in written. It means enforceable by law. Okay beta, so okay beta, okay, now okay, now see. Sir, yes beta, sir, yes beta, sir, yes, sir, what will happen if beta, What will happen if? What will happen if? I am writing here. This was case A in question number 9. Same question can come in exam with different way. Case B. Suppose registry is not there. Suppose registry is not at this date. Suppose registry was done in September, although it is not possible because 3-month agreement is there, but maybe agreement may be revised anyways. Suppose at this date registry was done. Let me know everyone. What will happen? Who will answer me? Is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? First answer me. Understood, sir. Come on, everyone, answer me. Is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Everyone is saying yes. Answer is no. Your answer is wrong, beta. This is not the event occurred after the balance sheet date as per AS4. Only Subhrajit and Pratima have answered correctly. This is not very good, beta. Priya, very good answer by Priya also. Beta, this is not the event occurred after the balance sheet date. Why? Because this was not occurred after the balance sheet date and before the management approval. Very good, beta Santa. क्या नाम है? Sayanto. Cause management approval date is already passed. Beta Subharjit, only those event occurred after the balance sheet date will be covered as per AS4, which were occurred between the date of balance sheet and management approval. Only those events will be covered in AS4, and those can be adjusting or non-adjusting. That depends totally on the point that conditions were existing at the balance sheet date. Sir, if possession is also in the previous year, then substance over firm, that's different, beta. Okay, that's different, beta. That will be at the time of preparation of balance sheet. Okay, beta. Between balance sheet date and management approval date. Yes, beta Rashmi. Because after the management date. Very good. Very good, Priya. Very, very good. Very, very good. I was not answering this, but still, since you have answered, so I am giving you beta. In AS5, such will be dealt. Okay, beta. Because after AS4, that will be covered in the next financial year. So where such will be shown in the financial statement, in the next year financial statement, such will be adjusted. Anyways, now come to next question, everyone. Question number 10. Beta, each and every question is there. That is really very, very important. Okay. See, question number 10 is there. Who will answer me? In X company limited, theft of rupees 5 lakh by cashier in January 2007 detected only in May. Not yet approved. Beta, I am preparing timeline. Question number 10 is there. Question number 10 is there. And this is the timeline. See, in this question, case A and case B has already been given. So two cases are there. This is what? Balance sheet date. This is what? Management approval date. This is what? This is case number A. and this will be case number B. Both of the case has been given by the question, as I am practicing with all of you in both the way. In the same way, question has also given the same thing. And what will happen in this case? See, question is saying this is the balance sheet date, and what is the balance sheet date? 31st March 2007. And what happened here? Cash was theft in Jan 2007. बेटे cash was theft. Cash how much rupees? 5 lakh. But that was detected in May. This is the date. That was May 2007. At this point, such was detected. पता चला गाना सुना है वो इसी पॉइंट के लिए बना है. That cash theft was detected at this point of time. So, can you please tell me this is adjusting event or not, everyone? First of all, let's decide. This is event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Then decide adjusting event or not. So this is event or not? Very good answer, beta. Very good answer, beta. Sayanto, Pratima. I am waiting. Very good, beta. Priya. Very good. I am waiting for all of the students, beta. All rest of the students, please answer. Very good, beta. Yogesh. Very good, beta. Rashmi. Very good, Aditya. Very good. Sitikam, Sadab, Basanta, Baswanta, sorry. Sir occurred before the but detected later. Occurred before but detected later. Yes, beta Sadab. But before the management approval date, such was detected or not? Yes. So existing conditions were there. Yes. Event occurred. Answer is yes. जब हमें पता चलेगा हम पास हो गए तभी तो हम बोलेंगे हम सीए बन गए. Whenever we will we shall got the information that we have cleared the exam, only then we can say that we are chartered. Okay. In the same way, that's another thing, that you have given the exam in May and you are getting the result after 1 or 2 months, but still that because of the condition existing in the attempt. Okay. So in the same way, you have detected that you have become chartered accountant and the condition must be existing there. So this is the adjusting event. In the same way, you detected that the cash was theft and the balance sheet date, at the balance sheet date the existing conditions were there. So it means this is the adjusting event. Answer is yes, of course. Now everyone, second case. If in Jan 2007 cash rupees 5 lakh was theft but detected, this was the August, detected after the balance sheet, after the management approval date. Now please tell me everyone, first of all answer me this one. This is the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Come on everyone, give me answer. And then answer this is adjusting event or not. Very good Ritika, very good Yogendra, very good beta Bhumika, Viral, very good Yogesh, Rashmi, very good everyone. बहुत अच्छे. Very good Rohit, Aditya. Aditya beta event No, this is not the event. This is not the event occurred after the balance sheet date, beta Rohit. Because as per AS4, only those will be called event occurred after the balance sheet date which occurred between the balance sheet date and management approval dates. Okay. So, beta everyone, please answer carefully. Only those will be adjusting event. Those will be called as event occurred after the balance sheet date which occurred between the balance sheet date and management approval. So, am I answering here that this is not the event? No. Hence, adjusting event or not applicable. When this is not event, then there is no question for being adjusting or non-adjusting, because as per ES4, this is not the event occurred after the balance sheet date. Very good, very good. Okay, beta, no need to sorry beta, बस आपको clear हो चाहिए. Not an event. Very good. If you are answering each and every question, first plot the data carefully on the timeline. If you follow these three steps, only these three steps, remember, you will remember me in exam. If you will follow these three steps, first of all, prepare a timeline and put the data there. Step number 1. Step number 2, decide whether it is event or not. Then step number 3, decide adjusting event or not. If you will follow the steps, you will feel very easy in each and every question, even though you have not seen the question before. Anyways, now next question is question number 11. Very good question. Very good question. Please keep this in homework. Okay, beta. Now come to question number 12. Come to question number 12 and mark this question important. Very important. Very important. Explain the step number 1. Okay, let's write down the steps. That will be very easy. Please note down the step. Okay, step number 1 in exams, how you should attend the question. Step number 1, I am writing here step for AS4 question. Okay, beta. Yes, beta Priya. But I will not give these words right now, because maybe there may be confusion to other students who have not seen the recorded lecture of AS5. Anyways, step number 1. First, prepare timeline and put the data. Put data on timeline carefully. Step number 2, decide event occurred after balance sheet date or not, as per AS4, that is between balance sheet date and approval date, management approval date, when management signed the financial statement. Is this okay now? Step number 3. Now decide adjusting event or not. depends on conditions or situation existing at balance sheet date or not. Better let me know steps are clear to all of you or not. I am waiting for your answer, everyone. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can show their presence by giving their like, share, comment, etc. etc. मैनेजमेंट साइन करने के डेट के पहले और बैलेंस शीट डेट के बाद, यस बेटा, तभी इवेंट होता है. वेरी गुड बेटा रितिका. यस, दैट्स द पॉइंट. दैट इज द इवेंट एज पर एस कोड. प्रतिमा हंस रही है, शैतान. प्रतिमा इज लाफिंग. दैट सर इज enjoying and saying the YouTube student that go for the like, share, comment, etc. etc. Yes, beta. These are the naughtiness. Anyways, now please see. Next question is there, everyone. This is very important question. A company follow April to March financial year. So that is very, very important. April to March financial year are always they are normally followed by the company. That is not important. Anyways, I am removing these words from here. Okay. Now please see. Company recognize checks dated 31st March or before received from the customer after the balance sheet date. Okay. Let's do just one thing. That is, since no sir, I understood clearly that why that's why happy. Okay. Pratima is happy because uh, he is because she understood clearly. Okay. Very good, beta. Anyways, beta, please write down one more important point you will usually find in the question. And what happens, I have seen many times in the question that students usually get confused. Beta, please write down one more very important point. Why I am writing this important? Because beta, such type of questions usually comes in exam, and students usually get confused for a single point. Sir, in case approval date not mentioned, then time period we can assume. Yes, beta, you can assume, beta. Very good understanding, beta. Arvind, very good. Yes, you can. You should mention in the exam. Anyways, now see, very important, beta. Check is there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are two types of questions usually we uh, find in the exam. What happened? Checks. Main point is that checks from debtors we receive. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What happened? Okay, I am preparing the next page. Wait a minute. What happens? We have learned one thing, that when we receive check, we enter, we pass the journal entry. That is what? At that time, we pass entry checks in hand. Beta, you are not in the foundation that you will be saying that cash account debit to debtor at the time of receiving the check. We usually practice in the foundation that cash account debit to debtor, and when deposit into bank, then we say bank account debit to cash. I know. If same date deposit, then entry directly pass in the bank corresponding credit to debtors. But please see, when check received, we usually pass the entry checks in hand account debit to debtors. Usually we pass this entry. This is only the entry we pass at the time of receiving the check, and the check is shown in the cash and cash equivalent. Yes, sir, of course. Suppose 55,000 rupee checks were received from debtor, and we pass the entry. We pass the entry checks in hand to debtor, but at which date? Beta, see, it totally depends when check was received. See, if check was received before balance sheet date, if check was received, if check was received before balance sheet date, okay, and if check was received after balance sheet date, yes sir, yes sir. Check may be received before the balance sheet date, yes sir. Check may be received after the balance sheet date, yes sir. Now please see, you will pass the same entry you will pass at the time when you will receive this check. Suppose beta, before the balance sheet date you pass this entry, so what will happen? See sir, in this case there will be timeline, and this will be the situation. This is the balance sheet date, and this is the management approval time. Yes sir, yes sir. Now everyone be carefully answering at the time of this question. Beta, please be carefully. What happened in the balance sheet? How we have shown such adjustment, such transaction? Sir, yes beta. Sir, in the balance sheet, yes beta. Suppose debtors were there before such transaction of rupees 1 lakh. Okay. And sir, yes. And sir, in the balance sheet, such debtors were reduced by 55,000 because we will be posting such entry in the debtors account. And now the debtors will remain in the balance sheet. How much amount? Who will answer me? I am waiting for your answer. And there will be checks in hand as cash and cash equivalent. Beta, who will answer me? In the balance sheet, in this case, debtor will be of which amount? Very good answer, Beta Rashmi. And where are rest of the students? Those are definitely enjoying the breakfast. They are not focusing on the class. Oh my God. Yes. Sayanto also answered. Pratima also answered. Mohammed Yaqib also answered. Very good, Beta. Very good, Priya. Yes. Where are Chanappa, Sumit, Sitikam, Sadab? Yes, Beta. Jeel, Sumit, Rohit, Nidhi, Preeti. Nidhi enjoying paratha. Preeti, you also. Malu, Arvind, Pooja, Vidushi, and all rest of the students. Virel, Rashmi, Abdan. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. No enjoying the paratha. Okay, okay. Now please see. Beta, this will be of 45,000 because out of 1 lakh we have collected check of amounting rupees 55,000. Yes, sir. And check will be in the balance sheet of rupees 55,000, of course. Okay. What happened, beta? Beta, at this date, what happened? At this date, such happened. What happened? Beta, either maybe checks collected, check may be collected, or may be bounced, may be rejected. Beta, anything can happen here. Collected or what I'm saying, collected or rejected. There may be any case. At this point of time, there may be any case. Now, please tell me everyone. Now, please tell me everyone. Is this event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? I am waiting for your answer, but this is really very important question. and many times repeated in the exam also. And most of the students usually get confused in this case. And I want to clear the situation from my side, at least for my this class. There will be no confusion in the student mind, especially for this important question. But event or not? Yes. Event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes. Why? Because that belongs, that is the event occurred between the balance sheet date and management approval date. Answer is yes. Now point is that before adjustment of such event in the balance sheet, you were showing the checks in hand 55,000. And if I will ask the answer, ask the question, will you answer? Come on, answer me. Is this adjusting event or not? Everyone, I am waiting. Very good, Vidushi. Very good answer, beta. I am waiting for rest of the student. Yes, beta Nidhi, very good. Bhumika and or rest of the student, all are answering perfectly. But on viewers portal, yes, very good answer, Sumit, Priya, very good, Shadab. Now, beta see, yes, this is adjusting event or not. Answer is yes, because because that belongs to the check, that belongs to the conditions which were existing at the balance sheet date. At the time of balance sheet date, we were seeing checks may be collected, checks may not be collected, check may be collected, check may be rejected. Means conditions were there at the balance sheet date. At this date, we were in the situation or condition to estimate that in the future checks may be collected or may be rejected. Yes. It means that is the adjusting event. Yes. In this case, if adjustment will be there, how the financial statement will reflect? Beta, management will adjust. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can management adjust? Yes, allowed as per AS4 because this is the event and this is the adjusting event. In that case, after the adjustment, how the financial statements will reflect? In that case, the entry will be reversed. What will you do if checks were collected? Sir, case number A, case number A, if checks collected, beta, in this case, what will happen? Sir, in this case, if checks were collected, then remaining debtors are there as it is. Yes, sir. Only now checks will be zero, nil. Checks in hand will get reduced. Yes, sir. That will be nil. Yes, beta, in the financial statement. And what will happen? Bank balance will increase. Yes, beta, because bank will get collected by rupees 55,000. And what will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen if rejected? What will happen if rejected? Case number B, case number B, case number B, case number B. If rejected, sir, in this case, we shall pass the entry of returning the check to debtor. In that case, we shall pass the adjustment entry that debtor's account debit to cash to checks in hand. Sorry. Okay. In this case, debtor will again increase up to rupees 1 lakh. Means there will be no amount in these two cases. Okay. Please let me know first, everyone. Is this okay up to this or not? I am waiting for your answer, beta. I am waiting, beta. Up to this, everything is okay or not? And you have noted also. Let me know. AS4 is really very important. Clear or not? Clear, sir. Okay. And where are rest of the sent? Yes, sir. Clear. Clear. Okay. Okay, ji. Now see. Now we are moving to next point, everyone. Second situation was there. If checks received after the balance sheet date. Now, better please see. In this case, what will happen? In this case, what will happen, beta? Beta, please see. In this case, check was received. Check was received at this point of time. Check received at this point of time, beta. Rupees 55,000. And collected also. And collected also. Or rejected, whatever the case may be. First answer me. Beta, please tell me. First answer me. Is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? I am waiting, beta. Is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Answer is very good, very good, very good answer, beta. Yes, this is the event occurred after the balance sheet date. Now, point is that is this the adjusting event or not? Is this the adjusting event, everyone? Very good answer, beta Vidushi. Yes, steps if you are following. No, sir. Very good. Very good. Adjusting, Rashmi. Beta, please check. Check was received after the balance sheet date. Beta, see. Are you able to think at the balance sheet date? See, I have prepared this. Why? To think at the balance sheet date. Am I able to see checks will be cleared or not? Sir, checks was not there at the balance sheet date. Beta, check was not there at the balance sheet date. So we cannot say that there is any condition or situation about the collection or rejection of check because check was not existing at the balance sheet date. So we can say that there is no situation or condition existing at the balance sheet date regarding the point to check whether there will be possibility of collection or rejection about the check. So beta, in this case, this will not be the adjusting. So this is answer is no. No, this is not the adjusting event. It means financial statement which were prepared by the management without adjustment of such check will remain as it is and there will be no allowance as per AS4 to adjust such event in the financial statement. Okay, beta. Now let me know first. Everything is clear or not? Please write down here. Everything is clear. Otherwise, write down here doubt. Yes, Saru beta. I got first time your answer from morning. So let me know, everyone. Everything is clear or not? Because after that, I shall move to next question, everyone. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. Clear. Okay. I am seeing Bhumika, Ritika, Virel, Abdan, Rashmi, Aditya, Subjit, Mansi, Pratima, Pooja, Biju, Vidushi, Syanto, Arvind, Rohit, Malu, Nidhi, Priti, Ravi, Komal, Jeel, Mohammad Yaqib, yes, Yoginder, Venkatesh. So I am waiting. Very nice, sir. अच्छा पढ़ाते हो आप मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा अच्छा बेटा everything is clear sir now screen is also clear okay beta yes sir okay chaliye let's start but sir debtor was there as condition the debtor is always there but the situation is not there for regarding the collection of checks or that on that debtor reserve for bad debts is the situation or condition okay Okay, beta Shadab. Anyways, now come to the next point, beta. Who will answer me? I am giving you this question. Come on, answer me this question. If you are able to read this question carefully and screen is clear, then please solve this question first. First, you solve this question, then I will solve this question. Break. Sir, break. Break चाहिए क्या? Is there any requirement of break? I think that will be better if we will practice more and more question. Uh, okay. If you need break, then please take break. Okay. Sir, break लगा दीजिए. So everyone, now back to class. Now let me know everyone that you are there. Let's start. Give me ready. Yes, beta. Rohani, Rohit, Yogesh, Venkatesh, Jeel, Komal, Ravi, Syanto, Preeti, Nidhi, Malu, Sumit, Ritika, Vidushi, Pooja. Ready. Very good. Yes, beta. Sitikam, Shadab, Sumit, and all rest of the student. Let's start. So, beta, this is the question. Question number 12. Company follow April to March financial year. Company recognizes check dated 31st March or before received from the customer. Sir, I very much like your classes and teaching. Due to office timing, I have to go. I will attend recorded class, please. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Question number 12. It is an okay, beta. Priya, मैं वही solve करा रहा हूँ. I am solving that. Don't worry. Anyways, company follow April to March financial year and company recognize check dated 31st March or before received from the customer after the balance sheet date. Please underline everyone. Please underline beta. Yes. Received from customer after balance sheet date but before approval. Now, can you please suggest? Can you please suggest? Is this the event? Is this the event as per AS 12? Who will answer me? I am waiting. Who will answer me? Yes, event. Very good. Now, please tell me, is this adjusting event? Come on, let me know. Very good. Very good answer, beta. Okay. Okay. I will update the solution PDF also. Don't worry. Next, question number 13. Now, please move to question number 13, everyone. A limited company close its accounting year on 30th June. Okay. Can we start this question with timeline? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Question number 13. Beta, see, this is the year timeline. And now, after the balance sheet date, there is approval date also. This is the management approval date. Now see, very good. I will ask you and you will answer. Okay. First, I will plot the data. As I told you, there will be 3 steps. Step number 1, prepare a timeline and put the data there. Step number 2, decide the event. Step number 3, adjusting event or not. Now see. First of all, better put the data. Financial year end on 30th June. See, financial year ends on 30th June and the accounts were prepared and considered approval by management on 20th August. So beta see, 20th August is the date at which management will approve the financial statement. Okay, sir. Now what happened? The company was engaged in laying pipeline for an oil company deep beneath the earth while doing the boring work on 1st of September. Everyone, on 1st September. First plot the data on timeline. After August, there will be September. Okay. This is the date on 1st of September. What happens, sir? Beta, it had made a rocky surface. Beta, company was engaged in the business where company was laying the pipeline for oil company and deep beneath the earth. Beta, see, company faced a situation on 1st of September. What happened? At this date, it found a rocky surface where there will be extra costs to lay the pipeline. Okay, beta. And for that, company has to incur the extra cost of rupees 80 lakh. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was unexpected cost. It was unexpected. So now, beta, extra cost will be there. It means that extra cost is coming now in our situation that we have to face the extra cost. Oh my God. There will be a profitability effect. In this case, first of all, we have to decide as per question requirement. Beta, tell me whether such event is to be dealt in the financial statement or not. Beta, for this we have to decide first. Come on, everyone. Is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Come on, let me know first. Answer me first. I am waiting. Very good answer, Rohani. Very good, beta. Ritika, Rashmi. Uh, very good, beta. Yoginder, Pooja, Rohit. Very good. Yes. Nidhi saying yes. Okay, this was earlier answer. Yes, it is event, but no, beta, no. This is not the event, Pooja. This is not the event occurred after the balance sheet date as per AS4. Beta, only that will be the event occurred after the balance sheet date as per AS4, which will occur between the balance sheet date and management approval date. So such event was not occurred between such period. Hence, this is not the event. Answer is, of course. Answer is no. This is not the event as per AS4. Very good answer, beta Siddhikam. Sambhavi. Very, very good, beta Nidhi. Now see everyone. Now point is this adjusting event or not? Sir, there is no question. Okay, still I am writing here just for clarity. Maybe in future you will revise and you will have the full clarity in this case. Adjusting event or not, sir, if there is no event, then how we can say there will be adjusting or not adjusting? Okay, I am writing here not applicable. Why? Because if there is no any event, then there is no question of adjusting event or non-adjusting event. Okay, sir, in which financial year? Suppose this is the financial year, year number 1, and this is what next financial year, that is year number 2. So in which financial year such will be adjusting? Come on, everyone. In first or second? Let me know first. In first or second? Very good. Yes, of course, second. Very, very good answer, beta. Very good, beta answer. Shabash, Sumit, Priya, Sambhavi. Now, please move to next question. Who will answer me? Please write down. This is also a good question. This is also a good question. Question number 14. Good question. So please read this question first. Then I will practice with all of you. Please read this question first. I am showing you the question on full screen first. Please read this question carefully. A company deals in petroleum products. Sale price of petrol is fixed by the government, of course, after the balance sheet date. Oh, before the finalization of company's accounts. Okay, government unexpectedly increase the price retrospectively. Oh my God. Now, please let me know, if prices have been revised, it means to whom such company has supplied its product. Definitely there will be increase of revenue, additional revenue will be there. Yes. Now, point is that, is this the event occurred after the balance sheet date? So I am waiting for your answer, beta. Come on, tell me. Okay, let's prepare a timeline. Come on. Answer number, maybe any of you could not get the clarity of the question. So step number one, we have to prepare a timeline so that there may be full clarity and put the data on the timeline. Beta, balance sheet date is there? Yes, sir. And here management approval date is there? Yes, sir. Company has prepared its trading P&L. Beta, I am writing here just for simplification in the horizontal format. Otherwise, you already know that there is a vertical format. Suppose company has prepared its statement of profit and loss. Okay, I am writing here trading and profit and loss. Okay, and balance sheet also. So company has already booked its sales of petroleum product, and based on that, company has already recognized profit and loss. Yes. Now what happened in this case? Here at this point of time, government revised petrol price, which is the main product of such company. Company is selling petrol and company has sold many huge quantity, and government has revised from back date, that is retrospectively. Now point is that question number one, please answer carefully. That is event occurred after the balance sheet as per AS4 or not? Who will answer me? Now answers are changing. Yaki beta, recheck. Event or not? Step by step answer. Okay, step by step answer. That is our policy. Step by step answer and you will get the correct answer. Those which are chatting on BOS portal, better please let me know. Sitikam, Sumit, Priya, very good. And all rest of the students. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, event. That is event occurred after the balance sheet date or not? Yes. Why? Because event must occur between the balance sheet date and management approval date. Of course, yes. Now, point is that is adjusting event or not. That is adjusting event or not. Now answer me. Very good answer, Pratima. Very good answer, beta. Sayanto, very good. Bhumika, very good. Swaroop, recheck. Yakib, recheck, beta. Adjusting event or not? Yogendra, recheck. Was there any situation at the balance sheet date? Come on, check. Was there any situation or condition that was existing at the balance sheet date? Come on, give me answer of this point. Was there any situation or condition at the balance sheet date? Of course not. Of course not. So is this adjusting event or not? Come on, everyone. Of course not. This is non-adjusting event. Although it is event. Event is or not? Yes, as per AS4, this is event. But that is adjusting event or not? Answer is no. Because there was no situation or condition that was existing at the, that could be adjusting at the balance sheet date, for which we can say that this should be adjusted. Okay. Now check another question. Now beta see, I hope I might be wrong. It is an adjusting event because of retrospective. No beta Priya, because there was no situation or condition. If there could have been any situation or condition, then we can say this. But sir, effective retrospective, that's another thing, that is retrospectively beta. But how we can say that there was any condition of situation? Because government decisions are there. There is no control or no existing scenario with us. Based on that, we can estimate such. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Answer right. Very good, Rohit. And all rest of the student. Now I got it. Okay, beta, Priya. Very good. Next point is that next question is beta. Come on, tell me. While preparing the final account for the year, and this one, company made a provision for bad debts at the rate of 5% total debtors. In the last week of Feb, a debtor for rupees 2 lakh has suffered a very heavy loss due to earthquake. The loss was not covered by insurance company. In April, debtor become bankrupt. Can company provide full loss arising out of insolvency? Come on, let me know. I'm not preparing such question in class because I have already discussed. So I want to save your time. But please let me know fast. This is step number 1. This is event or not. Beta, should I prepare timeline or not? Very good. Yaki, going concern effective or not? Beta, this is going concern effect, not affecting. Okay, we have to give presumption, although there is no huge debtor. So we are presuming here going concern was not affected. Yes, it is event. Event or not? Answer is yes. Event or not? Answer is yes. Next, adjusting event or not? Tell me everyone. Adjusting event or not? Come on, tell me. Who will tell me? Adjusting event or not? Answer is yes. Beta. Now I want to do just one more thing in the class. How to present your answer in exam. You are having the good practice of the questions, and if you are not delivering the same thing in the exam, there may be loss of marks. So beta, I want to do one more thing. Beta, how to present your answer in exam? Should I start? How to present your answer in exam? आपको कैसे एग्जाम में आंसर देना चाहिए कि आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन वहां पर एक सही वे में जाए? Come on, please note down properly how you should answer in exam. Please see. Suppose this is the same question for which we are giving the answer in exam, this one. Then how will we present or answer in exam? Okay, let's see the presentation also. Answer number 15 is there. Yes, sir. First of all, give a presentation in this way. If you are either give answer yes or no, whatever the question, both type presentation. Question number 7. Yes, beta. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, you want this answer in presentable way. Beta Rashmi, you are saying this, that do the presentation of question number 7. Is this so, beta? Okay, I am giving you the presentation of question number 7 instead of that question. So beta, major fire was occurred. Yes, sir. On 8th April, 8 days after, loss was estimated 16 crore. No insurance cover. Okay. In that case, how will you present your answer in exam? Better see. First of all, if question, देखो, there are two type of question in exam. If question is asking whether this is wrong or right or yes or no, and if you are sure, then give answer yes or no. In this case, in this question, there is no requirement to give answer yes or no, wrong or right. Okay. So I am directly starting with the provision. So first of all, I will mention in the exam, such problem or question belongs to which AS? Belongs to AS for events occurring after balance sheet date. Sorry, contingency and event occurred after the balance sheet date. Please write down carefully. First of all, in this way, we shall present our answer in an exam. Such problem belongs to AS4 contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. You will be writing in good writing way. My writing is not so good, so you can write in the more presentable manner. Writing also matters. Anyways, as per, then you will write the provision of relevant accounting standard as per accounting standard 4. What is the provision? We should explain here. But in this case, whatever the provision is applicable, that you must write here. Okay. Those events, those events which occurred after balance sheet date and before approval of accounts by management are called, sorry, are adjusted, are adjusted in financial statement only if conditions or situations were there, were existing at balance sheet date. Otherwise, not adjusted. Number one provision up you have told here. Second point, those non-adjusting events, those non-adjusting events which affects the going concern are also adjusted even if conditions or situations, even if conditions or situation were not existing on balance sheet date. But in this case, you have mentioned their provision that as per AS, what is the provision? But you must take care of one thing, that the relevant provision must be mentioned here because AS is lengthy and you have to give the relevant provision there. Next, in the given case, the given case, and what is the situation in the given case? In the given case, see what the question was asking. Major fire damage. Okay, the loss of rupees 16 crore is there, of course, and closure of account. Okay, okay. Here in this question, in the given case, there occurred
अजय
loss
जी
of. बेटा, is there any
अजय
problem?
राठी जी,
हाँ जी.
राजकुमार अड़ूकिया बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा सर, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये आप क्या लिख रहे हैं? मतलब हमें ऐसा याद करना है, ऐसा लिख रहे हैं?
सर, प्रेजेंटेशन बच्चों को क्लास में बताई जा रही है.
क्या चीज के बारे में?
सर, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट योर आंसर इन एग्जाम.
तो ये वर्ड याद थोड़ी रखेंगे।
नहीं नहीं सर, वो
एक बार
थोड़ा.
इसको क्लोज करो आप,
है जी सर.
स्क्रीन को क्लोज,
मैं समझ
शेयरिंग
नहीं
को
पाया.
क्लोज करो।
स्क्रीन को क्लोज करूं?
हाँ, शेयरिंग।
सॉरी सर, मैं सुन नहीं पाया आपकी बात.
शेयरिंग शेयरिंग आपने पेज खोल रखा है ना, उसको बंद कर दो ना एक बार।
अच्छा सर. यस सर.
नहीं, क्लोज नहीं हुआ, पेज क्लोज नहीं हुआ।
अच्छा, इसको भी क्लोज करना है सर?
हाँ,
जी सर.
आप पूरा इसके आ जाओ ना, विजिबिलिटी पे। अभी ब्लैंक आ गया, उसको भी क्लोज करो।
अच्छा, आप कह रहे हो मतलब मैं फुल स्क्रीन पे आ जाऊं?
हाँ,
अच्छा सर. हम्म. एक सर, एक्चुअली वो स्क्रीन यहाँ से हटा दी थी हमने.
या एक बार आप इसको बंद करो ना,
अच्छा, इसको
आपकी
बंद
फोटो
करो.
पे आ जाओ। ठीक है, यू कैरी ऑन।
यस सर,
अजय जी,
प्लीज.
यू
जी
कैरी
सर.
ऑन। थैंक यू।
ओके. हाँ जी बच्चों. यस एवरीवन. सो बेटा, जस्ट ए मिनट. सो बेटा, एवरीवन प्लीज सी. So first of all, how will present an answer? That such problem belongs to that accounting standard, and then you will mention here the provision, and after that you will mention in the relevant case in the question whatever the provision is applicable. You will answer the relevant question. There occurred loss of rupees how much? 16 crore. 16 crores. And and I am answering better in the case 1. Okay. And there may be any of following situation. Case number 1, going concern affected. Going concern affected. Better please write down. In this case, In this case, yes, beta. Both of the answer will be there as per the requirement of question. In this case, loss will be adjusted even if in this case loss will be adjusted even if no condition or situation is there at balance sheet date. Case number 2, everyone. Case number 2. Yes बेटा, वो सेकंड केस में आएगा. ओके, बोर्ड डायरेक्टर की रिपोर्ट में. गोइंग कंसर्न not affected. In this case, financial statements will not be adjusted. Only in board of director report. जो रिपोर्टिंग अथॉरिटी होती है बेटा, such will be given. ओके एवरीवन. हाँ बेटा, वो बेटा तब होता है लिक्विडेशन. मैंने वो पहले वाले, इतनी हमें रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है मेंशन करने की. देयर विल नो सच रिक्वायरमेंट मोहम्मद याकिब बिकॉज वी हैव टू आंसर एज पर द क्वेश्चन. ओके ओके. Next point is that another point. So can we start recalling of today's class? Let's sum up the whole conceptual understanding and all the question practice of today's class. Beta, what happened in today's class? We revised the concept in this way. Only one chart is there and timeline is there. Step number 1, timeline will be prepared. At this timeline you will put the data. Step number 2, you will decide whether that is event or not. Step number 3, you will decide whether event is adjusting event or not. Adjusting event means for which condition or situation were existing at the balance sheet date. In that case, that will be adjusting event and you will adjust in the financial statement. Second point is non-adjusting event. In the otherwise case, that will be non-adjusting event. Okay, question number 16 once. Okay, someone is asking, sir, please explain question number 16 once. Okay, beta, wait a minute. Beta, I will explain in next class. Don't worry. That is your homework. First, start with the homework. Okay, beta, please do all the questions in homework. In the next class, I will explain all these. Okay, and I will also upload in today's evening all these questions, 31 questions which I have collected for you with solutions also. Okay, although I have already prepared the solution, already all the things are there, but still I am not giving you right now because otherwise you will not practice in the proper manner. So at least there must be one practice from your side. Anyways, someone is asking that sir, I have some query. Can you unmute? Yes, beta Pooja. Sir, please unmute. Yes, beta Pooja.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
सर एक्चुअली
थोड़ा सा लाउडली बोलो।
सर सर एक्चुअली मुझे इसमें ना प्रॉब्लम होती है कि ये पता नहीं चलता कि कौन सा एएस, मतलब कई बार है ना AS29 भी मतलब सभी सिचुएशन को मीट करता है सर। तो उस केस में हमें किसका रेफरेंस देना चाहिए? जैसे कि ये मतलब लो शूट वाला केस है सर, वो AS29 में भी आता है सर। इसी तरह जैसे
कौन से वाला केस बेटा पूजा?
जो सर जैसे लो मतलब लो शूटिंग करके जो केस होता है केस।
हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ आपको। पूजा एक्चुअली क्या है बेटा, अब बात को ध्यान से सुनना। हमारे जो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड है 29, वो बताता है इन सबकी डेफिनेशंस को, किसको बोलते हैं कंटेंट लायबिलिटीज, प्रोविजंस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, और उनका अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट है AS4 में।
जी सर, ट्रीटमेंट
समझे?
दोनों में सेम ही होता है सर।
तो आप ना AS4 को रेफर कीजिए, क्योंकि अब क्या हुआ, वहां से कुछ डेफिनेशन हमारी AS4 में भी आ गई है। ठीक है,
जी
तो
सर।
आप AS4 को रेफर करो बेफिक्र होके।
सर जैसे कि ये अभी जो आपने क्वेश्चन दिखाया है, इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 16 है सर, वो स्टडी मॉड्यूल में AS29 के अंदर दिया हुआ है, मतलब पूरा रेफरेंस देखिए।
देखिए, अब पता है क्या होगा पूजा, यहाँ पे हमें देखना पड़ेगा हमें ट्रीटमेंट के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा है या हमारे से पूछा है कि ये प्रोविजन है, कॉन्टिजेंसी है, क्या है, या उसका अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट।
सर बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन सेम है दोनों में, मतलब AS29 में भी जो आपने नोट्स दिए उसमें भी।
हाँ हाँ, तो पता है बेटा, देखो जैसे अभी यही है, मैंने क्यों छोड़ दिया इसको, इसीलिए तो छोड़ा है। एक बार बच्चे, बाकी बच्चे भी थोड़ा सा हो जाएंगे। देखो पूछ क्या रहा है इसमें, आपसे पूछ रहा है ट्रीटमेंट। बताओ ट्रीटमेंट कहां पर है, AS4 में कि 29 में? ठीक है, हाँ अब तुम देखो खुद आंसर कर रही हो। बताओ कहां पे रेफर करेंगे?
AS4।
AS4, यस। और पूछो बेटा।
इसी तरीके से मतलब कुछ कंफ्यूजन होता है जिसे AS डिटरमाइन करने में कि कौन सा लगाएं,
AS,
AS29 या AS4, इसमें बहुत ही कंफ्यूजन सा होता है क्वेश्चंस में।
अच्छा अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं। आप ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ बहुत अच्छा तरीका। आपसे ना आपसे ना अकाउंट्स में ट्रीटमेंट पूछा जाता है, तो आप जब AS4 को रेफर कर दोगे ना, तो वो बहुत होगा, वो अपने आप उसको ट्रीटमेंट को उसी की बेस पे लेके चलेगा। तो आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं, आप सीधा AS4 रेफर करो। ठीक है पूजा? हेलो बेटा।
यस सर।
ठीक है,
ओके सर।
आप इसको ऐसे समझो, जैसे पार्टनरशिप एक्ट है हमारा, है ना?
यस
हम लोग उसकी अकाउंटिंग कहाँ पे सीखते हैं? फाउंडेशन में, है ना? पहले तो इंटर में भी था। तो अभी क्या है कि हम लोग पार्टनरशिप एक्ट को कभी रेफर नहीं करते ना, हम सिर्फ रिलेवेंट लॉज के लिए रेफर करते हैं। कुछ ना बोले तो सेक्शन 13 इक्वल होता है, पार्टनर वगैरह रेमिशन नहीं होता है ना। लेकिन ट्रीटमेंट कहाँ हो रहा है हमारा? अकाउंटिंग में। ऐसे ही हमारा AS4 हमारी ट्रीटमेंट को बताता है।
यस सर।
हाँ जी, और पूछो बेटा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके बाबू। जाकी पूछ रहे गोइंग कंसर्न अवेल करती है तो बोर्ड रिपोर्ट में डिस्क्लोजर देना होता है। गोइंग कंसर्न अवेल करता है तो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के नोट्स। मैं आपका डाउट समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। देखो सीधी सी बात है जाकी बेटा, अगर मान लिया हमारा गोइंग कंसर्न इफेक्ट हो रहा है, तो हमारे को फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ना हमें रियलाइजेशन बेस बनाने पड़ेंगे, लिक्विडेशन बेस पर। तो इसका मतलब क्या है, अलग से हमें कुछ बताने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। अगर हमारा गोइंग कंसर्न इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, यानी कि फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट हमारे नॉर्मल बन रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पता होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर की, उसमें जो हमारी अथॉरिटी, अप्रोप्रिएट अथॉरिटी की रिपोर्ट खोलते हैं ना, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर की रिपोर्ट होती है, उसमें हम इसको डिस्क्लोज करते हैं। ठीक है, और पूछो बेटा। यस बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमारा AS5 खत्म, और हमारा AS एक और हम खत्म कर लेंगे। ठीक है, लेकिन देखो इसमें ना प्रैक्टिस की बहुत जरूरत थी, AS4 में स्पेशली। AS4 सबसे लेंदी है मेरे हिसाब से, मतलब प्रैक्टिस के हिसाब से। तो ये थोड़ा था क्या, AS5 तो अपना छोटा है, फिर भी उसमें 5 चीजें हैं बस, तो ज्यादा उसमें टाइम नहीं लगेगा। और कोई डाउट बेटा किसी को? मैं पूछता जाता हूँ वन बाय वन, आइदर आस्क डाउट अदरवाइज गिव मी रेडी। ओके, हाँ जी बेटा सुबरजीत। ओके ओके, सुबरजीत, प्रतिमा, रश्मि। ओके, प्रतिमा का आ गया। विदुषी, रितिका, भूमिका, विरेल, सत्यानो, सत्यांतो, जील, सुमित, मालू, प्रीति, आप सबको जूम पे इसीलिए लाया गया है ताकि आप फ्रीली पूछ सकें। ऑल क्लियर, नो डाउट सर। ओके, एनीवेज वट एवर द फीडबैक यू आर हैविंग बेटा, प्लीज पोस्ट टू आईसीआई एंड आल्सो गिव योर गूगल रिव्यू। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच। नो डाउट सर, ओके, वेरी वेरी थैंक यू। ओके बेटा, ओके बेटा, प्रिया, स्वरूप, सितिकाम, सुमित एंड ऑल रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय, थैंक यू ऑल, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में। सी यू ऑल इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके बेटा,
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
yes sir. Just a minute, I think someone is asking now. Beta, is there anyone? Okay, nobody is asking. Okay, let's leave the session. Bye bye all.